Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Naija Pikin. Do not forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to be looking at word problems under mathematics. Okay, I have a question I want to solve for a student of mine, and I hope she gets this video in good hands and help. So I'm going to write down the question and we'll solve it so that she can be able to see where she would understand the little lapses she have during solving this particular problem. Word problem in mathematics, there's what we call word problem. These are problems that have been written in words for you as a mathematician to interpret and get the desirable result. So I'm going to write down the question. Okay, this is the question. The square of two numbers is 65, and the square of their sum, the squares of two numbers is 65, and the square of their sum is 121. Find the numbers. Two numbers that the squares of these two numbers is equal to 65, and the square of their sum is 121. Find the number. We have to be very delicate and careful when answering word problems because it can be tricky at times. So I'm going to start solving and you follow me bit by bit till the end. Okay, so solution. Let the numbers be, it's your own x and y. So let these two numbers that when the squares of them is equal to 65 and their square, the square of their sum is 121, let the two numbers be x and y. So this is what we have here. The square of two numbers is 65, equation 1. The squares of two numbers is 65, and the square of their sum is 121, and the square of their sum is equal to 121, equation 2. We can now go on and solve. We've now interpreted this word problem into mathematical representation. So we'll continue here. So from my equation 1, I have x squared plus y squared is equal to 65, equation 1, and x plus y all squared is equal to 121, equation 2. So this is the equation for this word problem. So now let's take equation 2. Since we're having brackets, let's expand the bracket. So taking equation 2, we have x plus y squared is equal to 121. So we have x plus y is equal to the square root of 121. You know, when square is crossing the equality sign, it becomes a square root. So now I now have x plus y is equal to, what is the square root of 121? 11. 11 times 11 is 121. So the square root of 121 is 11. So since I have x plus y to be equal to 11, make x the subject of the formula. So I have x plus y is equal to 11. X is equal to 11 minus y, equation 3. X plus y equal to 11, making x the subject of the formula. When y crosses here, we have a positive sign here. It becomes minus. So I have x is equal to 11 minus y. Now we're going to continue. Put equation, so I'm just going to abbreviate equation like this. Equation 3 in equation 1. So wherever we see x in equation 1, what will we do? We'll put 11 minus y. So let's continue here. So I have x squared plus y squared is equal to 65. What is x? X is 11 minus y. X is 11 minus y. So whenever I see x, I'm fixing 11 minus y in this equation. So I have x is now 11 minus y. So I have 11 minus y square plus y square is equal to 65. So we are to expand this bracket. So I'm going to do it this way for simplicity and others that are viewing too. Plus y square is equal